Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Daily Update. We are going to see all the possible scenarios and we are going to do a non-biased technical analysis. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits even on bearish markets. You will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get a manual system with buying and selling opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and of course daily updates for the market and many more benefits. You can find also the link in the description for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So let's see a little bit Luna right now. We found resistance at the 40.5 around there, Tether USD, and now we had a minor resistance still around 36 and we went upwards again. So Luna on the short term looks good. The reason that we found resistance right here is because we hopped up to a very significant resistance level, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Next targets 49 to 50, 55 and 58. We will see how easy we can go there. Okay, the volume is increasing on the 4-hour frame, which is good, very good. We are on the trading view and we had a bullish recross on the 20-day MA, but most importantly we are finding support level on the 50-day EMA exponential moving average. Let's see a little bit the MACD. What we need to see on the MACD right now is to be making some higher low and higher high pattern to go above those two lines, those two red lines right here you are seeing. Okay, if we can do that, then we will be ready to fly to the next price targets. We will discuss the risk though, do not worry about anything. Let's go on the 4-hour frame. On the trading view, we have the risk metrics right here. What we are seeing and what I like mostly on the 4-hour frame for Luna is that the stochastic RSI is dropping while the price is remaining stable and a little bit higher. And you can see that Luna has a nice on the 4-hour frame swing high. Maybe we can go even above the 70 right here for the RSI. You can see that the RSI remains stable while the stochastic RSI is going down. That's a good sign, and of course the price doesn't go further down. Okay, so you can see that maybe we have a good sign of seeing the RSI pattern going above the 70 and staying there for quite some time. Okay, and the 4-hour frame on the trading view here on the charts, we are looking nice. Let's go though on the daily frame. We had a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid, an indicator that we are using, buying opportunity, and we do not hold any selling opportunity yet. If I close the Bollinger Bands, you will see that when we hold any selling opportunity, we have the red arrow. For now, we have the buying blue arrow right here, not a red arrow. We are perfectly fine, but on the daily frame at the same time, I want you to focus on these things. First of all, we are getting a lower high, lower low pattern. Okay, so on the daily frame, we hold a little bit of a risk for Luna. Even if we have another swing high, most probably on the next days on the midterm we might be getting a little bit down. But anyway, on the daily frame we are getting the stochastic RSI in an overbought situation as well. Commodity channel index was a little bit in an overbought. Now you can see we are getting a little bit down, but anyway we have the saying of the Fisher transform. Okay, so on the midterm, we are holding a little bit of a higher risk than on the short term because the patterns do not agree that we will be going all the way up to the 100 Tether USD, for example. Okay, let's go a little bit to Luna Bitcoin chart. You can see here that we found a huge resistance on the 0.3094, very significant level right there. You can see that we have a very strong resistance right here. And of course, we have the next target on the 0.20. Okay, so if we can get there, then this will mean that for Luna we can even go higher to the 49 Tether USD for sure. Okay, but right now we need to be careful. On the 4-hour frame, we are looking pretty good, just like the USDT chart. We have the RSI in a nice overbought situation right here, and we want to be forming this pattern on the RSI. However, the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold. This is something that we like to see when we are getting a coin that corrects a little bit. Stochastic RSI is more sensitive to the price action, goes into an oversold sooner, but the RSI remains in the high levels. This is something very nice and important important. But at the same time, Luna Bitcoin chart looks like the Luna USDT, where we have lower lows, lower highs in the RSI, and therefore we should be really careful. Yes, we might be getting a swing high. However, if we keep having the lower highs, lower lows, we are getting into a bearish RSI divergence, and from there we might be going down. Okay, so please be careful and be sure to take your profits. You can see stochastic RSI is about to get into an overbought situation for Luna Bitcoin chart, and now we are ready to cover every detail on the 4-hour frame. So what you should do in the short term, okay, you should be having the 40.5 as your major resistance level. And if we close above the 40.5, but especially above the 42.69 on the 4-hour frame, then we are ready to go to the 50 Tether USD. Or else, if you go to the daily frame, we should be closing above the 40.57. Either way, it is the same, okay? If we close above the 40.57 on the daily frame, then we are probably be getting to the 50 Tether USD around 49 to 50, which is a 23% profit. Okay, so it is very nice, and of course we can get maybe to the next price targets, but first, in order to minimize the risk, we have to make it as support level, and you can use a stop loss at around 39. And then if you use a stop loss at around 39, and let's say that you have bought around 40.5, if you have bought around 40, let's say 41, then your risk reward ratio should be around 18% if you have a price target around 49 to 50 Tether USD, 18 around there, to 17 to 18%, 19% most likely. Okay, so you have a nice risk reward ratio, but in overall we should be going and having the 40.57 as a support level. And if you want to learn all of this stuff, then join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. Okay, just a friendly reminder that you can get profits and learn technical analysis. Let's go to Bitcoin chart. On the Bitcoin, we have the daily frame that we closed minus 4.58 right here before yesterday, and we had a nice buying pressure, but in overall Bitcoin is unstable. Okay, it is still unstable and we cannot trust Bitcoin right now. Luna looks like it can go to outperform Bitcoin, but at the same time we need to be careful a little bit on the daily frame. As I told you before, we might be having a bearish RSI divergence formation right there, and we need first to make the 40.57 as a support level on the daily, or if you want to go to the 4-hour frame, make the 42.77 as a support level. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.